Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Apple AirTags. These little cute tracking devices are awesome to track your goods, to track your wallet, to track your car, to track your whatever you like to track. But sometimes these little knobs can have a fail function. Or another case or another thing is, for example, the owner of that AirTag is removing the iCloud lock out of it. Before you can use that little cute AirTag with your other Apple ID, that means only one Apple ID can be paired with one AirTag. And if you like to pair it with another Apple ID, you have to reset it, to restore it, okay? And this now we are performing because it's a little bit tricky, but we can handle this together, okay? The first step is how we can enter into the inside of that device, because we have to remove the battery 5 times. Okay, let's go. Here is the surface, and here is an halo of this white knob, and inside there is a cover, a metal cover. This metal cover we can grab. We grab the entire thing and let it move a little bit left turn. Okay, I repeat, right is locked, a left turn is unlocked. Now this device is unlocked, as you can see. Now we can remove the cover, and here it is. This is our battery. This is the coin battery, the cell battery, the cam battery, the AirTag battery. The AirTag battery has a minus and a plus pole, negative and positive. And the positive is upward. Now we have to perform 5 times. Get the energy flowing, remove. Get the energy flowing, remove. 5 times. We have to hear 5 times the AirTag sound again. After the 5th sound, the AirTag is reset. Factory reset, hard reset, back to the roots. Okay, let's perform this. First time we heard the song. Next time, second time. Oh yeah. And now third time. Woo yeah. The 4th time. Oh, good job, baby. Only one left. Yeah, job's done. Now this AirTag is back to factory. Back to factory reset. This is a clear and good factory reset. Of course, if this AirTag is paired to an Apple ID, this will get no thing that will not work. Of course it will work, that this is removed again, but only the owner of the paired Apple ID can get enter into it, okay? So first step is remove this icon, this beacon from the Apple ID, and then you can remove everything. Okay, 5 times remove the battery and get it back in position. 5 times you have to hear that sound, and then it is go back to factory reset. Now we can push back the cover in position and rotate it clockwise until we get our Apple iTag back in position. Okay, here you can see, there it is back in position. Left turn swiping means unlocked. This is locked, and this we are going to do. 5 times you have to remove the battery, 5 times you have to enter the battery. 5 times you have to hear that sound, that iTag sound, and after the 5th sound, the AirTag is rebooting and is now like a virgin again. Awesome, isn't it? That's easy. You can perform this. And this you can perform if you have a fail function or if you are going to use another one's iTag for you. But first you have to remove the Apple ID. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.